Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to all of you, and I hope all of you are doing great and fantastic. So, today I am telling you how my university life goes on every day. So, let's start the video. So, firstly, I wake up in the morning and ready myself for going to my university. After getting ready, I leave my room for going to university, and after a long journey I feel tired and I reach my university campus. And once I reached my campus, I take CNG to go to my classroom. So after reaching there, our class starts and teacher come and start studying. So we are gathering our knowledge from them, and so our class long about 1.5 hour long, and usually we have 2 or 3 classes every day because our class duration is very long. So after completing our 2 or 3 classes at 4 p.m. I back to my home by train, which you can say shuttle train, which is very special feature in our university. So after completing the whole day at my university, I feel very tired, and after taking some rest and taking my meal, I feel better in the afternoon, and thus my daily university life goes on. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.